Imagine this. It's midnight. The world is quiet. You look up at the sky and suddenly the moon blinks. Not a shooting star, not a trick of the eye, but a real living blink. For the first time in billions of years, Earth's silent guardian wakes up. What happens next? The moon, which we thought was just rock and dust, now opens glowing eyes across its craters, shifting as if stretching after an eternal sleep. The oceans on Earth immediately respond. Tides grow violent, waves towering higher than skyscrapers. Entire coastlines flood within hours. Because the moon isn't just decoration, it's the puppeteer of our seas. And if it's awake, it means it can choose how to move them. Now picture this. The moon tilts its gaze toward Earth. Every orbit, every gravitational pull, is no longer a passive force of physics. It's a conscious decision. Days might stretch longer, nights shorter. The rhythm of our planet, the cycle we depend on, could be rewritten in a heartbeat. But what does a woken moon want? Maybe it's curious. For billions of years it has stared silently at Earth, watching civilizations rise and fall, oceans form and vanish, forests burn and regrow. Imagine being that eternal witness and suddenly gaining the ability to act. Would the moon reach out like a parent to protect us, or punish us for what we've done to the planet it has guarded for so long? Now think about life itself. Many scientists believe the moon's steady pull is the reason life on Earth even exists. It stabilized our orbit, gave us tides that nourished early ecosystems, and shielded us from cosmic impacts. But if it wakes, maybe it decides life has gone too far. Maybe it decides to let chaos return. Picture the nightmare. Volcanoes erupting as the moon shifts gravity, entire cities ripped apart by earthquakes, tides swallowing islands. Humanity would no longer be fighting each other. We'd be fighting the moon itself. But what if it doesn't want war? What if it wants to communicate? Imagine glowing symbols appearing across its surface, like an ancient language carved into craters. What if the moon holds knowledge of the universe, answers to mysteries we've never solved? Where life came from, what lies beyond the stars, whether we're truly alone? The greatest library of cosmic wisdom, hidden in plain sight, waiting until it could finally speak. And here's a chilling thought. What if the moon waking up isn't random? What if it was always meant to happen? A timer set billions of years ago, waiting for humanity to reach a certain point. Maybe we were never alone under its gaze. Maybe the moon was watching, waiting, testing. So what happens if the moon wakes up? Civilization could collapse under its fury, or evolve into something beyond imagination, guided by an ancient mind that has seen the birth of stars and the death of worlds. The next time you stare at that pale, silent sphere in the night sky, ask yourself, what if it's not silent at all? What if one night soon, the moon decides to open its eyes?